primary interface of HoverAir X1's exterior formation is based on two buttons. Just like every other technology or profession, photography too is not immune to evolution in the consistently modernizing era. In a bid to stay on the same page as the technology, a renowned brand in the manufacturing of photographic devices, Zero Robotics, has released an addition to its drone portfolio, HoverAir X1. Available at a middle-tier price tag of $349, Hover X1 from Zero Robotics is primarily endorsed as a selfie drone but serves both purposes including work and leisure. Delivering an interface convenient to explore, the HoverAir X1 departs from the approach opted for by other well-known drones like DJI. The drone has an impeccable command over capturing diverse shots, including review photos, 360-degree GIFs, and overhead shots. All of that can be achieved just by using a touch button docked atop the drone, eliminating the need for a controller. Not only is the drone ultra lightweight and ready-made for occasions that require instant usage, but its pocket-sized build makes it extremely portable. To curtail the possibility of getting lost from the user, it has an autonomous capability in its software under the hood to return to the user before the battery dies. The primary interface of its exterior formation is based on two buttons atop the drone, one to turn it on and the other to choose from the 5 flight modes preset. By using these modes, users can lock the camera on a subject while the drone follows the preset flight paths to capture video or photos. Key features of HoverAir X1: hover floats in a fixed space, tracking movement, follow flies behind or in front at different heights and distances, orbit circles overhead around a fixed center spot, zoom out flies away and up, then returns, bird's eye captures top-down shots directly over a fixed spot. HoverAir X1 Amazon sale. Currently, the HoverAir X1 is available on Amazon for PS329.99 approx $420, offering a 5% discount with free deliveries across the UK. Another deal features the HoverAir X1 at PS349.99 approx $450, coupled with an extra battery and carrying case.